Welcome to beecrowd Academic. My name is Lena and I will be your host. You have just entered the largest tech ecosystem and the main educational platform with AI-powered automatic code correction in Latin America, created to transform technology education. beecrowd Academic was developed to boost the performance of professors and educational institutions, offering a modern, efficient, and fully integrated experience. Everything works directly from the browser, with no need for installation or additional infrastructure. For professors, the platform offers up to 70% reduction in operational workload, allowing more focus on teaching quality, automatic correction with instant and personalized feedback using artificial intelligence, 2 advanced plagiarism detection systems, AI-generated exercises tailored to students' levels, integration with major LMS systems such as Moodle, Canvas, Blackboard Learn, and D2L Brightspace, with automatic registration, single sign-on, SSO, and grade synchronization. For students, beecrowd is an environment for practice, growth, and opportunities. Achieve up to a 50% increase in student engagement. More than 2,500 programming challenges in over 25 programming languages. Participation in tournaments, national and international contests. Access to real job opportunities and temporary work with partner companies. Detailed performance reports and continuous progress tracking. All of this aims to increase engagement, reduce school dropout rates, and prepare students for the job market with practical and relevant skills. The beecrowd Academic is the bridge between traditional education and the future of technology education. Empower yourself now and discover what it means to teach with intelligence, innovation, and real impact.